Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today with a clean out. Massive. And I'm just gonna jump right into this. Okay, the first thing. Now y'all, this is a popular product and it may be good. I don't know. It's the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I will tell you why I don't know, because this gives a radiant finish. I'm never going for a radiant finish, and if I do want any moisture or anything, I have my Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist that has actual squalane in it. This was a mistake purchase. Okay, next I am passing on this CoverGirl Cheekers in, I think this is in Twinkle. It's a beautiful color, and I love these cheekers. And I have a couple over there that I'm saving. But this is a little earthy on me, and when I do get it built up enough to show, it kind of darkens me a tad, and I'm always wanting to lift with my color, go a little bit brighter. This was just a hair dark for me. Okay, next, I'm passing on this Man Eater mascara, and I cannot remember why this doesn't work. I think it thickens a lot and doesn't lengthen a lot, and I like a lot of length. I love the Man Eater eyeliner, but the mascara just didn't quite work out for me. Okay, next, I'm passing on a foundation I really like, the Milani Conceal and Perfect, because I went through a foundation splurge. Could not get enough of the foundations. I have more foundations than I will ever use. I have to thin this out and kind of work with it. This is beautiful though. If you want a good full cover, this literally is a concealer and foundation in one. It's almost too heavy even for me. That is beautiful. A lot of people love it, and I loved it when I used it, but I'm just not picking it up. Next, and this kind of hurts a little bit, I'm passing on the Too Faced Peach Perfect. I'm passing it on because this color was never quite right. They have extended their color line. I may try a different color. This always just turned a hair peachy, a little bit too dark. Next, I am cleaning out this xoxoxo Silk Blowout Quick Dry Thermal Spray. Just because I don't believe it. Just don't believe these do anything. I don't notice a difference if I use it, if I don't use it. My hair doesn't seem to get any healthier with this, so yeah, I'm passing it on. It just sits there. I'm like, I don't really even believe you do anything. If you love a thermal spray though and think it does a world of good for your hair, put that down below. I'd like to know. I just look at it and go, are you really doing anything? Okay, next, I'm passing on this number 7 cleansing oil. This gets everything off. It works great. The scent. It just doesn't do it for me. I'll tell you every time I use this what it reminded me of. In the 70s, do you remember those little perfumes that would be in like little animals, little plastic animals, and you would pin them? They were like brooches. I had a cute little skunk with some wax inside that was a perfume. That's what this smells like. That was a long story. It just smells a little bit floral and powdery. A floral powder. It does get everything off though. So if you're looking for a cleansing oil, yeah, that got everything off really nice. Okay, next, I'm handing off a bunch of brow products because I ignore my brows. My favorite brow products are the Gimme Brow by Benefit or the Make Me Brow, I think, by Essence. I love both of those. I comb out my eyebrows with those. I have on the Essence Make Me Brow today. And those are perfect for me. But all of a sudden, I had just decided I want to do my eyebrows. And do I want to do my eyebrows? No, I do not. So I'm handing off a brand new Anastasia Make Me Brow, a Maybelline Tattoo Studio, and a Burt's Bees. Oh, and another Anastasia Brow Wiz. I was just so sure I wanted to do my eyebrows now. I don't, so I'm going to hand this off. Okay, next, I'm passing on the Naked Heat because I never pick it up. I don't often pick up worms right now, and when I do pick up worms, I pick up other things. Instead of this one, I usually pick up the Tarte Toasted that's a little earthier than this, or I just have these colors everywhere. Okay, next, I'm disposing of this the Balm 38. I loved this brush, how soft it was, and it's perfect for right here. But notice I'm not touching my face with it. This sheds like a dog all over my face every time I used it. If you like the Balm Royal and Nickel brushes and you think that that's a fluke, let me know. It wasn't very expensive. I'd like to try more of these, but it shed so bad. Okay, next I'm handing off the Revlon Candid because it settled into my pores and left white dots where my pores were. I have found someone else that wants to try this. So I'm passing it on. Okay, next, I'm handing off my Clarisonic because it just sits on my vanity. I know people love these, and I was always shocked at how much skin it would get off my face. I still don't pick it up. Instead of this, I'm going to use my Clinique 7-Day Scrub or a tinkle razor, and I will just scrape skin off. I don't use this to cleanse. Just sat on my vanity, so I'm passing this on to someone really excited to get that. Okay, next, I'm passing on this Got to Be Fatastic because this is a great mousse, but now that I have my John Frieda volumizing mousse, I don't want to use anything except that. And I was mixing a little bit of this with that. I just like it on its own, and it's not very expensive, so I'm passing this on. Okay, next, I'm cleaning out this holographic stick by Milk that is beautiful if I would ever put it on my shoulders or anywhere for a highlight. I never pick this up. I will pass that on to somebody who will remember to use that as a highlight. Okay, next, the Flower Light Illusion Perfecting Powder. This is pretty new. When I use it, it just is just a normal powder, and with all the powders I have, about 50 powders that I love and look forward to, this did not excite me. So I'll pass that on to somebody that will love it. Okay, next, I'm cleaning out this Tarte foundation. This is the original where they didn't release a whole lot of colors. This is matte, y'all. This is the driest matte I have ever used in my life. I will tell you, my daughter loves this, but it's the wrong color for her. It's just too matte even for me, and I like a matte. This is hard to spread. It just sits there, so I'm gonna pass that on. Okay, next, I'm passing on this Bare Minerals matte. This is the matte formula, and this is in Golden Fair. It's too gold for me, and I would work at it and mix some other things with it, but with all the foundations and powders I have, I won't work that hard, so it just sits there. The Bare Minerals powders are great, but that's the wrong color for myself. Okay, next, I'm passing on this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. It is one of the most beautiful applications I've ever seen. I loved it. But within 2 hours, it's sliding off my face. It's separating. It's a mess. And I tried this every which way I knew how to try it. Mattifying primers, luminous primers, regular primers, pore filling primers. Could not get this to work. I wish I could, because it is a beautiful application if it didn't break apart on me. Okay, next I'm passing on this Too Faced Melted Matte. That is my perfect color. Dries me out like a bone. It makes me so dry, I just sit there and peel my lips. It's such a good color. Holy Child is the name of that. That is the best color. If you can wear that formula, beautiful. Okay, next, I'm passing on this, or throwing out this Essence Banana Powder. I took this nowhere, and the lid fell off. And I kept it for a while, but I'm not going to keep it with the lid off of it. And I don't think I'm going to repurchase it. As much as I liked it, Essence needs to work on their packaging. I had a highlighter that did that, and now powder. I'm not replacing that, but it was beautiful. A very good cover and very brightening. Okay, next I'm passing on this It CC in the Illuminating. This is way too illuminating for me and thick, and I like a luminous matte because that turns luminous on me. An illuminating one, this would be way too shiny. My sister Diana would love this. I'm passing that on to her. Okay, next I'm passing on this Sephora Gloss. I think this is in Pink Dahlia. If you know me, you will know why. That is way too bright for me. I love the Sephora glosses. However, the doe feet on these are tiny. So I don't like that, but I do have one in bubblegum that I love. I love the Sephora glosses. Okay, next, I'm passing on this Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner Primer. This just didn't do much. I thought this might be like the Tarte Smoothing Primer, and this just didn't do much. I didn't enjoy using it, did not notice a difference with it, so I'm passing that on. Okay, then I have an e.l.f. Under Eye Brightener, and I got the wrong one. This is not as brightening to me as the one in the square little container that's about this size. This just didn't do a whole lot, and I have under eye brighteners I love, so I'm going to pass that one on. Next, I'm passing on this Smashbox Always Sharp in the black. I have some in the gray that I like, but the black, I only will use that on my upper lash line, and I can't get a thin enough line with it. I love the gray for under here, but I just will not use that black. Okay, next, I'm tossing some Garnier Fruit Teas. These are the Color Shield, and whenever I did my hair with these, it did not ever do very good. Did not work very well on my hair. My hair just never styled very good with these. I like the Aussie Volume, so I'm tossing those. Okay, next I am passing on these Obagi Clear and Blend FX. These are not near as good as the ones with hydroquinone, and I can't use hydroquinone. It makes my eyes hurt. Everything makes my eyes hurt. And the FX, it just does not, for me, work any better than anything else over the counter. So I am tossing those. Okay, next, I ordered a Too Faced gloss. I didn't realize it was a metallic. There for a while, I kept ordering metallics. I don't wear metallics, so I'm handing that off. This is brand new, and I don't wear metallics, so handing that off. Okay, next, I'm handing off this Revlon Balm Stain. I love the idea of this, but this goes on, and it's pretty sheer, but it's just a little bit dark for me. Nice formula. If you like just like a stick and it's kind of sheer, very nice though. Okay, next, I'm passing on this Essence Shine, Shine, Shine. And I love the formula of this, and I love that fat doe foot. But I need a lighter color. I need a lighter color. This is the color of my lips and kind of turns dark. Happiness in a Bottle is this color, and it's really nice. I just don't pick it up because it's just a shade too dark, but I love the formula of those. Okay, next I have a few healthcare items. I am cleaning out these Refresh Repair eye drops. If you have been with me, you know hyaluronic acid dries me out. If you're new here, hyaluronic acid dries me out. My doctor gave me a sample of this Refresh Repair, and I kept thinking, my eyes feel worse after I'm putting that in. They just feel worse. And I went through almost a whole bottle of it. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and it dries my eyes out. They feel worse. I must have some kind of sensitivity to it because I didn't even know it was in this. And I was like, why do my eyes feel bad? Looked at the ingredients to find out what was in it. Hyaluronic acid, sodium hyaluronate. I can't even use it in my eyes. Watch that. If you live in a dry climate, make sure hyaluronic acid is not making you drier instead of hydrating you. Okay, next I am passing on, cleaning out these omega-3s because I love the Barleans. They're like dessert. And I always look forward to them, and I think they're really good quality. Not saying these aren't, but I love my Barleans Omegas. So I'm getting rid of my omega-3s. Okay, and that is my spring clean out. And that is all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.